What's going on, guys? I'm going to be going over the cheapest web host that I could find for the longest period of time. I personally use this web host. It's my favorite one. I used to use Bluehost. It was slow. So this is going to show you the fastest and cheapest web host that I could find. I recently went over domains in my previous video. If you didn't see that, go check it out. And also please make sure to follow. So the best web host for performance and price and the amount of time you get to use the web hosting is going to be Hostinger. Hostinger is by far the best WordPress host that I have ever personally used. I've never had a period where it's slow. The main way you can tell it's bad hosting is when you access the WordPress admin portal and it's slow in the admin portal, like plugins won't load and certain things. With Hostinger, I've never had that issue, and the price is pretty good for how long you get to use it. So this is one of the cheaper plans here. This is $95. Now you get it for 48 months. That's $2 a month, and it includes an SSL and everything. So the main thing is you'd buy a domain on Google Domains, which would be the $12 once a year, and then we have the $95 for 48 months, which is just absurd.